Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Mazda 6 radio display, only way. Begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal for 5 minutes to reset any locked modules. Next, remove the trim carefully using plastic prying tools and keep all screws organized. Inspect ribbon cables and connectors for damage or corrosion, then clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and reseat firmly. Test the display before fully reassembling to confirm success. Gather the right tools and you will save time and avoid damage. Use plastic trim tools to remove panels, a screwdriver set for screws, and a multimeter to test power and ground. Keep a small container for screws and a lint-free cloth plus isopropyl alcohol to clean contacts. Working methodically and labeling connectors helps you reassemble correctly and reduces the chance of an intermittent display problem. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car repair guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life and gives easy voice control while you work, perfect for background music or timers during repairs. I find it useful in the garage for hands-free commands and audio cues. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the trim and unscrewing the head unit with care, keeping screws organized. Verify 12V constant and switched power plus ground at the connector using a multimeter to rule out electrical faults. Inspect the display ribbon and connector pins for bends, corrosion, or looseness, then reseat or replace the ribbon as needed. Reconnect and test the display before full reassembly to confirm the repair worked correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.